Hello my acquaintances, today I'm doing something that is not a review, unboxing, or a haul. Don't worry, I'm okay. I thought it would be fun because I've always wanted to do these for Halloween. Oh, should I turn this off? It's hot as hell. I've always wanted to do these decorated bottles I've seen for Halloween. And I was like, wait, I can do those for any holiday. I have accumulated so many candle jars because I don't throw them out. And I say, oh, I'll use these for organizing. And then I've run out of things to organize. I'm going to make them into nice little USA themed red, white, and blue Memorial Day, 4th of July type beat. So, yeah. I don't have any star stickers. And I was like, alright, I'll just use some Cricut vinyl. Because I don't really want to use tape. Because I don't have masking tape. And then I was like, okay, I'll use this vinyl. This is what I used to make the stars on my marching band Nico cosplay. And then I was like, why did I freehand all these stars? I literally bought this for the sole purpose of that cosplay, and that's it. And then I was like, wait, I did not freehand these. These are way too good. I traced them out of these felt stars I had. And I was looking for those, and I found my backup. It's a crystal. Nothing more. Oh, I'm so excited. I was looking for the... I found them. I might just use these because these are already stickers. But I also, sorry, I need to reorganize. If you guys are interested in that video, it's not looking good. I'll cut this one out right here. Perhaps. That could be fun. Oh, it might not even be big enough. And that might be like a bad idea because it's adhesive. This is not looking good. Oh, it's relaxing. Okay. Laughing to the big bit. Flexing on it. I look so ugly in a bun, but it's so hot I can't do anything else. I went to go rinse this out again and rinse off some of the... And right now it's drying. And I saw this in the kitchen. And I said, this is already basically a decoration. So why not decorate it some more? Right? And then I have some blue metallic. Oh, and some blue sparkly, but I think the blue metallic is more on brand. I don't have any red. Oh, should I get some red? Oh wait, that did just fine. Maybe, kinda. Uh-oh. Hello? Okay. Yay. Wait, this is kind of coming along nicely. Hey guys! Look at her standing in the back! She said, hello.
It's only a spoonful.
This is finished. I was thinking of putting some glitter inside it, but it's gonna be too hard with the neck being so small to shake it around, and I don't know where the cap is to this. So this is done. I just put some blue cricket vinyl and some gold cricket vinyl and the white and red felt stars in varying sizes, and then it's got that on it. It's cute, and guess what? We're gonna put it... Yay! Alright, and now that this one is dry and cleaned off and everything, I'm gonna spray in it with some Mod Podge spray and hope that that's kind of sticky, and then wait just a little bit for it to dry because I don't want it to fume up the room, but also like it has to still be sticky. And then I'm gonna, well, I'll show you, but I'll put the glitter in there and I'll shake it up. Here's what I have. I have this blue holographic glitter. This is all the glitter I use for resin stuff. For white, I'm going to use this iridescent. Right, so... This is what the glitter looks like. It's just a base, so it's not really that big of a deal. It's kind of ugly, but it's okay. This is just because I'm gonna put lights in here later, and I think it'll look really cool with the glitter. So next, all I'm just gonna do is take some of these and I'm just gonna stick them on randomly, kind of. Stars at night are dull and dim, especially when they have to be over plain old stupid Texas. So I just did this at complete random. As you could probably see, I was just picking them up and sticking them on. So the colors don't matter. Things don't matter. You could honestly leave it like this if you did the colors a little more meticulously, I guess. Or if you just like it however you did it. But I am going to paint a gradient, like red, white, and blue over this. And then these, when they peel up, they'll have star holes. So it's Memorial Day, and this is not done. The idea is to do kind of a gradient moment. So I'm gonna put on the white, and then I'm just gonna put on the red and the blue over it, like not even waiting for it to dry. So this is what we're looking at right now. It's honestly fine the way it is, like at this point. So we'll do this. I gotta be going to work and like work my way around.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 20th Joy of Painting series. Son of a gun, it's hard for me to believe this is the 20th series, but it is, and I'd like to thank you very much for inviting me back for another series of paintings.
quiet and live forever in peace, may you wait. No! Fuck! Okay. Keep your eye on the grand old man. Alright, well, that's looking pretty good, I think. Yeah, that's looking good to me. Hello. Ew! My health assessment says you cannot go to work. But my bank account says get to work now. So, is this zoomed in or am I just disgusting? Okay. I look like Dobby the house elf. Alright, this is all dry. He's kind of cute. Hopefully taking these stickers off doesn't ruin it. So that's what we're doing. This is going to be satisfying. I'll try and get a good angle on it. Should be satisfying. I mean, it's a little bit fucky, but we can work with that, I think. Let's try this one. I mean, they're a little bit fucky, but I like that. That's cute. Oh, yeah, right on the money, baby. Right on the money. Where you want it? Are you gonna back that thing up or should I push up on it? 50 cents candy shop. Gets stuck in my head. An irregular amount. Like, I don't really listen to it that much. And for the longest time, I hadn't listened to it since like 2010. And then it got stuck in my head one day. Oh, look! Like, when I woke up, it was stuck in my head. So, ever since then, it's kind of been a problem. I don't want to mess up the really cute one. Aww. Woo. Keep going until you hit the spot. Woo! Okay, wait, that's kind of cute. I think it'll be really cute once the lights are in there. And also I might clean up some of these stars because some of them are looking a little bit bad. But that's kind of cute, right? Vlog portion of the bitch because I need to get the little twinkling lights to put in there. They don't have to be twinkling. They just need to be little. And they need to go in there. So, I just went to Dollar Tree. No success there. In fact, turmoil. I did see a big ice cream cup. Didn't buy it. Nothing quite like getting catcalled in the discount store's parking lot. I got these because they didn't have just the tiny ones for like $5. They had a big set of the tiny ones for like $10, but I said, why not just get a cool looking one that I can actually hang up if I'm gonna be spending more than $5 on it. So that's where I'm at. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a finished product. Ah! There it is. It lights up. Yay! It lights up. The glitter is not quite as stunning under the lights that I thought it might be, but I still like how it looks. So there's the lid. A patch with a lot of glitter on it. Backlit glitter doesn't look quite so nice. Remember that. And you know to buy, subscribe. See ya later, all you haters.